Another weekend, we drove about 15 minutes south to the North Pole. Yep, you heard that right. At the North Pole, Santa's Workshop is an amusement park themed like Christmas, on several acres on the side of a mountain leading up to Pikes Peak. This amusement park had lots of fun rides, activities, entertainment, shops, and food venues. It was not very busy on this Saturday in the middle of June, which made it easy to get on every ride pretty quickly. Some rides we got to even enjoy all on our own. They have rides for every age and every thrill seeker or thrill avoider. Our favorite ride was the Tilt-A-Whirl, and we rode it several times.
Oh my God, the pressure! The pressure! It's squeezing the giggles out of you! Oh my God!
Spin the other way.